It's time for Law 101. I'm attorney Rob Levine from Rob Levine Associates. So the Law 101 version that we were going to run today was on bicycle safety, and we're still going to run that, but we've made some modifications to it considering the crisis that we're in nationwide, and I wanted to add this on to the front of it because it was really recorded prior to the crisis that has begun. So while it's very important that obviously people are staying in and sheltering and working remotely from home, as our office is doing. We only have a few people who are in the office who are here to support those who are home for mail functions, checks, disbursements, and things like that, so we can continue to take care of our clients. 98% of our team is working from home remotely, as you should be. So that doesn't mean that you shouldn't be able to go out, though. So if you go outside and enjoy some sunlight, get some exercise, ride a bicycle, stretch, take your kids outside, that's fantastic, and you should be doing it. You should just be doing it, obviously, maintaining your social distancing, that 6-foot circumference around you, washing hands, following the CDC guidelines. So I think that the video is still important because we still want to consider bicycle safety, and so we want you to know what the rules of the road are, what the laws are, whether you're in Rhode Island or Massachusetts, bike helmet, and all of that kind of stuff. So there's a difference between how I look now, because we are obviously shooting this not in the studio because we are practicing social distancing and not running videos with other people, so I'm shooting this from my phone compared to the bike safety video you're about to see. So I hope you enjoy the video, hope you learn something about bicycle safety and wearing helmets and what the laws are in Rhode Island and Massachusetts, and stay safe, stay healthy. Remember to practice social distancing if you are out and about. Have a great day.
Hi, welcome back. It's Monday and time for Law 101. I'm Rob Levine with Rob Levine Associates. So, as spring is nearing, here in a couple of weeks, we thought we'd talk to you a little bit about bicycle safety. You're knocking the dust off, pumping up the tires, and get ready to take your bike out for a stroll, so we thought we'd tell you about the law and what you need to know about bike safety. First of all, you should know there is a slight difference between Rhode Island and Massachusetts. Not much, but the most important thing is the helmet. So in Rhode Island, if you are 15 years of age or younger, you are required by law to wear a helmet. In Massachusetts, they extend it to 16 years of age. However, as a personal injury lawyer and a father, my recommendation is no matter what age you are, you should be wearing a helmet. I'm a ski patroller, and whenever I ski, I always wear a helmet. It's not required, but it's necessary. When you fall and you hit the ground and your head hits the ground, it's easy to get an injury, a traumatic brain injury. So people die from very light impacts on their head when it's not protected. So we recommend you wear a helmet. So what else do you need to know? Where can you ride your bicycle? Well, you can actually ride your bicycle on the sidewalk, or you can ride your bicycle in the roadway. As a bicyclist, you still have to yield to pedestrians. So on the sidewalk, the law in Massachusetts talks about audible warnings and signals and letting pedestrians know that you're coming and yielding to pedestrians. Rhode Island, the theory would be the same. You clearly don't want to run into somebody on the sidewalk on your bicycle. If you're riding your bicycle in the street, you must ride your bicycle in the same direction as traffic, the flow of the traffic. You're required to follow all the same rules that a motor vehicle is. So you have to stop at the stop sign, you have to stop at the traffic light. So you want to use caution. In Massachusetts, they talk about actually using hand signals. So if you're on your bicycle and you're going to be turning a left-hand turn, a right-hand turn, you need to use hand signals to let other vehicles know that you're going to be turning. One thing that is interesting is that just like in a vehicle, you cannot drink and drive a motor vehicle, you cannot drink and drive a bicycle. A lot of information, but information you need to know. Tune in next Monday for Law 101. If you like what you heard, like us, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.